Welcome to Olympian Water Testing, giving you the best in water analysis. Today we're looking at IOP science and how to remove ammonium from water intended for human consumption, taking a look at existing technologies. So what did they find? Ammonium is an inorganic compound present in water at a pH greater than 9. And ammonium has no toxic effects on human health, but it has presence in water and can indicate water pollution. The presence of ammonium in groundwater source can be largely determined by reducing conditions from the aquifer, while in surface water sources it is only found in polluted waters. In the water supply systems, the presence of excess ammonium in raw water is not desirable, because it can generate problems such as unpleasant odors, microbial development in water distribution system, reducing the efficiency of chlorine disinfection, and increased chlorine consumption. Over time, several methods have been developed to reduce the concentration of ammonium from water, these being physical, chemical, biological, or a combination of these methods. And the article presents a review of technologies currently used to reduce oxidized ammonium from water, and these mainly include ion exchange, absorption, biological filtration, air stripping, breakpoint chlorination, and reverse osmosis. So there's a lot of different things here, and we can take a look at the article as it goes into great detail about this. And we can see the information right here, the general data about ammonium that we just took a look at, and it is an important source of nitrogen for mammals and plants due to its synthesis of amino acids, DNA, RNA, and proteins, and it is also an endogenous product in all mammalian species. In the natural environment, ammonium comes from both natural and anthropogenic sources, and the assessment made by the World Health Organization on ammonium in water reconfirmed the conclusions of the previous studies, resulting that the exposure to ammonium from the environment is insignificant compared to indigenous synthesis of ammonium. Toxicological effects are observed only when ammonium exposure is greater than 200 milligrams of weight. And in Romania, the maximum allowable limit for ammonium in drinking water, according to law, is 0.05 milligrams per liter. The guideline level for ammonium, according to the WHO, is 1.5 milligrams per liter. There's also the biological process right here, the biological process of ammonium oxidization to nitrate with the intermediate form of nitrate is called nitrification. And the nitrification process is realized by specific bacteria population. The two main species of bacteria are Nitrosomonas and Nitrobacter. And these specific bacteria distinguish from each other by the ability to oxidize only certain nitrogen compounds, with Nitrosomas can oxidize ammonium to nitrate, and Nitrobacteria oxidize nitrate to nitrate. And these two specific species of bacteria are classified as autotrophic organisms. And at the biochemical level, the process involves more than the continuation of oxidization, ammonium to nitrate, because of the intermediate reactions with enzymes involved in the process. And it's very important to know the behavior of nitrifying organisms or microorganisms. We can see the equations right here for Nitrosomas and Nitrobacter as well. We can also see the biofilters, the main biological processes to reduce ammonium in raw water, mainly processes with biomass. And biofilters are characterized by the presence of microorganisms that adhere to the support medium in a form of fixed film biofilm. Regardless of the support medium used, all filters follow the same principle, namely biological degradation of pollutants by microorganisms fixed on the surface of the support medium. And we can see the classification of biofilters right here, the uphill, down flow with fixed bed, fluidized bed, and expanded bed as well. And we can even see the biological membrane right here, the information, and also the membrane filter. So that's some good information on ammonium, what's going on with it, and how to remove it from water that was intended for human consumption to keep it safe. So how do you know if there's ammonium in your water? The only way to know is to test it. That's why it's always a good idea to periodically test your water for high levels of ammonium.